Hi, this dance is called Mere Sanam, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on November 2023. There are 32 count, 4 walls, beginner level line dance. There is 1 tag and 2 restarts. Okay? Without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Section 1, side close touch, 2 strut, 2 strut, 2 strut. Section 2, rocking chair, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, and quarter turn just back to right. Cross, back, side, forward. Section 3, quarter Monterey turn to right twice. Okay, once more, together. Okay, and section 4, step forward, 2 touch forward, step back, 2 touch back. And then we finish with V-step. Out, out, in. Okay, let me repeat with a count. I'll do it with slow motion. Section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and there is 1 tag with 4 count. Only do 1/8 pivot turn or pedal turn. Okay, for example, okay, diagonal with hip roll and then the side diagonal hip roll. Okay, with count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you like the music, you enjoy the choreo, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.